Do you speak that language too?
Ah! She's creeping me out. She's looking at me way too much.